right, everybody. So I'm I got called out here. It just ain't. So the fuel filter looked crazy old. So I went ahead and I actually had one of these fuel filters on me. I actually have another one. They're kind of common, but here's the old one. The old one looks like trash, to be honest with you. I'm gonna need this back though. These things are sometimes tricky to get on. Alright, got it off. Get rid of that old one. So what you gotta do is put the new plastic on there. Yeah, man, this looks freaking filthy. Obviously, and just slide it through the back. Hopefully this does it, guys. Hopefully I just prime her up and she starts. I'm hoping so. Then I'd be the savior. Save the day. I'm pretty sure she was crying when I got here. On her. Oh, all right. It's tight. Let me make sure this is in there good. Do a good old bit. Let's see if I'm the savior. Alright. This is a 98 Chevy Lumina, everyone. 98 Chevy Lumina. And that has to get started by a button. Got stolen, I guess, a little while back. So do you guys, I'm sure you can't, but man, that fuel pump is going. It's really trying. All right, a couple more primes and I hope she starts. This customer just got off of work, came out here, and can't go home. Now that would suck. All right, guys, I'm gonna give her a go. Oh, forgot the button. No way. Started right up. Awesome. Well, guys, pretty cool. Saved the day. So I got to go in there like a hero and be like, hey, guess what? You can go home now. All right, so stay tuned for the next one. I think I got to go do a valve cover after this. I'm not too sure. But thanks for the people that joined. Sorry if you just joined. I got to cancel. It's a pretty quick procedure. It's just a fuel filter. But let's get it.